Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's tutorial, I will show you exactly how to claim rewards in the Binance app. If you've received a reward from a Binance promotion, referral program, campaign, or any other activity, this is where you can find and redeem it. First, open the App Store or Google Play Store and make sure your Binance app is updated to the latest version. Once that's done, launch the Binance app and log into your account. Now tap on your profile icon located in the top left corner of the screen. From here, look for and select Rewards Hub. Inside the Rewards Hub, tap on My Vouchers. This section contains all of your available rewards, vouchers, and bonuses. If you have an unclaimed reward, you'll see a Claim button next to it. Simply tap Claim, and the reward will be credited according to the voucher type. Some rewards may be sent directly to your funding wallet, while others may have specific usage instructions. And that's it. That's how you can quickly find and claim your Binance rewards. Thanks.